Okay, starting with the rear, we have the entire unit. The entire unit going to the rear. Then it goes to the side here. Goes along the side here. Goes on the inside behind that bracket. Comes out. Comes to the side. Goes up the side. Goes into the engine area. Comes through around the side of the frame. This looks like the yeah, that's for the ignition coils on the other side. Then it comes up, it goes to the fuse box, goes to the fuse box there, comes around from the fuse box, it goes through this hoop on the bearing, so it's being held on by that one, the fuse box. This little clip goes behind this bracket. It goes behind this bracket, then it hooks onto the headlight relays, comes up, and we have all the control panels. And that completes the wiring harness, except for that right there, which is the turn signal, and the headlights right there. So that's all there is to the wiring harness.